This is just some issues that I'm working through with the VE. So
Sure. That's fine. Okay, nice.
yeah,
So no expandy, and you got the labels. The labels didn't animate. I think I called that out to Jim Liu. They're not animating properly, but that's fine.
yeah. So we have
Um,
like our flip, our switch camera, filter, mute and unmute, and our highlights. Interesting things are these buttons are all sourced from our current backend stack.
okay.
That we're basically having a response that is essentially like our similar bottom tray. If you look now, it's only our chat and the plus button, and then that dot dot dot, and that really only brings you to share and developer settings. And so we're migrating a lot of things into the tool belt. We're basically either taking a button renderer or a tray menu item renderer, and
Okay.
converting them into overlay button models through a helper that I have on the first CL, and then from there, using that overlay button model to instantiate the toolbelt client view model and go that route. When we
The initial like availability of the buttons is driven server side,
yes,
from what I'm hearing, and then is there another RPC that happens after the toolbelt's been loaded, can change the state of the toolbelt?
so there's nothing that will the actual like general state will be available completely. All of the supported buttons will be known at the time of our create ingestion call. That's where the
Okay.
stream screen render is being sent down from, and so we get
Okay.
it's currently under a field on the proto for the Ilia like interactivity options basically. It's interactivity options tray. Um, so for the time being, we're filling that with the same renders that we would have been using for this bottom, for the bottom tray. Moving that over, having it as a separate field, and then using that to parse whenever we're populating our tool belt. And so from here, most of the interactions are going pretty well. The music which